Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm cooking up some shrimp and grits along with some blackened catfish. Now both of these are super easy to make. And I know I do say that in every video, but well, I'm just gonna keep saying that. Both of these dishes are super easy to make. I also have the full recipes for both on my website at Plus Size in Chicago. Just search separately for shrimp and grits and also blackened catfish. So I'm going to get started with the shrimp and grits. I'm going to start off by frying 4 slices of bacon that I've already diced up. In a separate pan, I'm going to add 2 cups of water, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of better than bouillon chicken base, and a half a cup of whipping cream. I'm going to also add 1 cup of Quaker Oats old-fashioned grits. These are the type of grits that are sold at my local grocery store, but of course you can use whatever grits you want to add. So we're going to mix all of that together with a whisk to help get rid of any lumps that may form. You want to cover the pan with a top and cook on medium-low for about 15 minutes. So it looks like this bacon is done, so I'm going to set that to the side. Let's start prepping the catfish. I'm using a mixture of Old Bay, Italian seasoning, lemon pepper, Cajun seasonings, and before adding the seasoning, I'm going to add some olive oil to help as a binder. Next, I'm sprinkling a little of each seasoning on the fish, and it may look like it's a lot, but it's not once I start rubbing it in. There's some salt in the Old Bay, so be careful how much you use. And once I've added all the seasonings on one side, I'm going to turn the fish over, add some more olive oil, and then do the same thing by adding those seasoning combinations on there. I'm also going to cook this fish on a medium-low heat and add olive oil to the pan. This is going to help it from sticking to the pan. I'm cooking the fish on each side for about 6 to 7 minutes. This really depends on the size of your catfish fillet. So if you have a large catfish fillet, you may want to cook it a little bit longer on each side, maybe 8 to 9 minutes on each side. So yeah, once the fish is done, you can leave it like this, or you can add like some sauteed onions and bell peppers just to kick it up a notch. Okay, so let's get back over to the grits. So the grits are ready, and I'm adding in a cup of cheddar cheese, and I'm going to mix that really well, and I'm going to set it to the side. The next thing I'm going to do is get my shrimp prepared. So I'm using this Key West Spice Company seafood flavoring. This seasoning is really good. I found it while I was in Florida, and you can buy this online. I'll have a link to that in the video description. So what you want to do is add that along with some thyme, mix it really well. You want to saute that in the pan for about 8 minutes tops. Now the pan that I had that bacon in, I removed the bacon, I put that to the side, and I'm adding this vegetable combination. So that was some mushrooms. I also had some minced garlic and some bell pepper. You can use red or green or orange bell peppers. I'm also adding to the pan some garlic powder, Italian seasoning, smoked paprika, some fennel, as well as some butter. I'm getting all of that stirred up really well, and I'm going to add like 1 1/4 cup heavy whipping cream. This is going to make a really nice sauce, and that seasoning profile is going to be really, really good. Once you get all this stirred together, you're going to pour that over your grits that was sitting to the side, and then you're going to add your diced bacon over that, and then one by one you're going to add your shrimp and place that as much as you want. You can even put it all here, or you can put half of your shrimp in here now, and then once you plate it up, you can add some more shrimp. It's really up to you. So yeah, guys, that's it. That is how you make the shrimp and grits. That's how you make the blackened catfish. And I really hope that you all liked what I cooked in the kitchen today. So if you are a follower on any of my accounts that you're seeing this video on, thank you very much for coming back. If you are not following me on TikTok, Instagram, Threads, Facebook, or YouTube, click that follow button and share this with your friends and family. I'll see you guys next time.